Well, hello from Vermont. A very good morning to you all. I've just popped over to the covered bridge at Dummerston. It's in the, it's behind me over there. And what is it? It's March the 9th, and it's currently about 10 degrees or 50 in Fahrenheit. And I'm gonna thank you all for joining the channel, and I hope you enjoyed the maple syrup part 1. I'm looking forward to this Thursday doing part 2. I know a lot of you have been interested in seeing it, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did making it. So I bought the drone today, the Mavic 2 Mini, and I'm going to put it up over this bridge. It's something I've been wanting to do. I did film this bridge last year. It's on the channel, but I don't think there was any drone footage. So let's take the drone up and have some fun. A big shout out to everyone that watches the channel and subscribes. The button's right below here, over here somewhere. So it's free, and please feel free to press it, and it will turn on the notifications, and it will let you know when I make videos and save me a lot of work and boost the channel. It's been a lot of fun. A big shout out to Roy, my friend in England. Hi Roy, hope you're doing well. I am really impressed with all your walking. If anybody likes hiking and walking, then tune in to Roy Edwards on YouTube, to his channel there. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. He really does get out and about, and I've really enjoyed it this winter, Roy. Well done. Congratulations. Pat on the back. So got Everyone Eats tonight, the program where we give away food from all the restaurants, and the state pays them $10 for every meal given away. You just need to sign up with Shelley. Anybody wants any details, give me a message, and sign up the day before you go, and then each day, Monday through till Thursday, you can pick up your meals down at the Vernon town office area there by the police station. So we're on duty there tonight from 4:45 to 5:30. Hope to see some of you there, and that's always fun time. So enough of me going on. Let's get the drone out and send it up, and I hope you enjoy it. I'll catch you on my next video. Bye for now. Well, this is a grader coming through the bridge. He this time of year he needs to level the roads, the ones that aren't paved, and he will get them nice and smooth for the summer. Take all the ripples out, and there he goes. I think he just about fits through the bridge. So let's watch him go through. Yep, there's not much room to spare there. So there he goes. Thank you, Mr. Grader. Good job. Okay, that's all for today. Keep it short and sweet, huh? Just up the road there's an old ski resort which isn't used. I may go and check that out for another day. It's such a shame. It's all there with the cable cars and been neglected. I believe it's down to insurance problems, but there's lots of things to film here, and the weather's changing for sure. We've got a beautiful day, couple of days coming up, so I'll sign off for now. Stay safe, everybody. Hope you've got your shot or your jab. Got mine on the 22nd of this month coming up, and I cannot wait to get back to some kind of a new normal. So that's all from Dummerston. Bye for now. Stay safe. Catch you soon.